Today we're delivering VE Group's trailer to them. We're just going to run through a few things of what we've done on the refurb. So basically what we've done is we've gone through new axles, BPW axles, our Kohler wheels, full refurb up the front of the trailer. We had to cut out a lot of rust and put new deck up on the top, new deck on the back. We've installed some ramps to utilise the top deck, and new ramps, VE colours and sign writing, and new boxes. And Nathan's here today. He's just going to tell us a bit of the history on the trailer from when his dad had it to now.
Yeah, well, I guess we have a pretty diverse fleet of tippers and float trailers, and Drake being the brand, so obviously that's why we wanted to come to Troy and his team. We knew they knew our expectations, I guess, and we knew the result that we would get at the end of the day. So my late father bought this trailer in 1989. It was a big thing back then, you know. It was an impressive piece of equipment. They sold their business in the late 90s, sorry, when interest rates were through the roof and they needed some new gear, and Dad got into mining. And then Bronwen and myself got in the business in 2006, and I come across this trailer about 4 years later. And I mentioned to the person that owned it that if he ever was to sell it, that we'd be really interested in the purchase. He come to us some years later, and we've ended up with it, and as you'll see by the photos, it's done its fair share of work over the years. But really crucial part of the business, to be fair. Like, you can cart a 12-ton roller around, you can cart the backhoe around, throw a skiddy on it, and you're not utilising that big 4x4 or 3x4 float in the business. So, no, look, cracking job, Troy. It's come up. It's probably better than I expected it was going to be.
A lot extras than what we first started with the first quote, but
for sure.
Yeah.
It was great working with you and your team, and yeah, really happy with how it's turned out.
No, mate, I appreciate it. And that's one of the things we love about doing the rebuilds like this is the story behind it, and that way you can, you know it's going to someone that really appreciates it. So.
Yeah, no, definitely a fair bit of nostalgia here, and no, it'll be something to treasure for many years to come.
Yeah, excellent. Cheers, mate.
Good on you, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks. Cheers.